Well, there's nothing quite like a bit of Westphalian niggle to burn off the excess Christmas calories. Less than 11 miles separate the homes of these two regions. The Ospreys seeking to win here for the first time in 8 years. As for the Scarlets, they are desperate to get their season back afloat. Well, the good news for the Scarlets is that some key names are back. They include Sam Wainwright, following the death of his father. Captain Josh McLeod lines up for the first time this season. Sam Costello's planned return is delayed. There are concerns about a hamstring with him. That means Johan Lloyd retains the 10 jersey, having done so well at fly half. The man who knows this region rather well, Shane Williams.
Yeah, brings back some...
Earlier today, on there from Lloyd, a flat pass. Big hit there on Sam Wainwright.
Right in front,
at full-back tonight. Those alterations forced by Sam Costello's withdrawal earlier today. Here goes Owen Williams.
The ball is there, boys.
Well, Rugen Morgan Williams is back. That's good to see.
He's gripping on top of him, boys. Carry on.
Morgan Williams has really been a key cog for the Ospreys so far this season. 4 tries in all across the 2 competitions. There goes Walsh.
There's Seb.
Harry Deeves carrying it forward. Justin Tipperick. They're hoping, the Ospreys that is, that they'll have him back later next month. But look at Gareth Davis. He's away and clear. Prothero's going after him, but he won't catch him. And it's Gareth Davis, so often a match winner. He did it here in the victory against Cardiff, and he's broken the deadlock after less than 90 seconds of this second half. Stances.
Yeah, I think the points were probably going to come from somewhere, but look at that, Gareth Davis, he almost looks like he's beaten at one point, just stays alive in that defensive line. Prothero nearly gets to him, but if there's someone that's going to break the deadlock, it's that man. Nearly intercepts the first one, as a second crack of it. Keelan Giles is out of the picture, quickest man on the field. And Gareth Davis is no slouch either, is he? But like you say, he'd be scratching his head how they went 0-0 into half-time anyway, but...
Fender.
Okay, second advantage.
Penalty advantage here to the Ospreys.
Short.
Just a few blades of West Wales grass, but it's Morgan Williams sniping around the blind side.
Usually defending that's going to give the penalties away, but there's huge pressure there from the Ospreys.
Steady. Keep it up.
So Morgan Williams with the put-in. It's all a bit scrappy, and Gareth Davis wins it, but the referee's blown his whistle and it's a penalty. So the Ospreys. Hardy. There's Roberts. McLeod. Chance here. That was Morgan Jones. George North forcing the player backwards.
I spoke to you in the first half regarding discipline. You come into the second half, you've been a lot better, okay? You're going away 2 on the bounce. You had 10 up offside, now we had 12 and 30, and I can't keep on giving more warnings. It's a yellow card.
Well, it's the first yellow card of the night. 13 points to 8. The West Wales derby hangs in the balance once more.
Thank you.
Yeah, the Ospreys... Yeah, there it is.
Step, please. Step. Let's go. Take ball.
Parry once more, getting inside the Scarlets 22. That was Ben Warren presenting it. Phillips held up on the 22. Well, that didn't quite work. Rogers comes away, but the referee has blown his whistle. Is this the moment that the West Wales derby is decided. Morse this time making his way forward. The referee's playing a penalty advantage, but the Ospreys may not need it.
It's advantage to the Ospreys anyway.
There it is. Who's it going to be this time? The Ospreys are claiming it. The referee has awarded it. And that surely now is the match.
Come on, you turn the ball over, you're too cracking, throw into the line out. Why not have a try for just to finish off your night? He knows the way to a try line.
So Owen Williams rather sensibly looks for some distance. It is Williams who grabs it. Deeves is straight up there to make the tackle. Leatherbarrow, Williams, Lloyd, Nicholas. They've really got to unleash some of the fast men. Leatherbarrow now with another powerful carry, another tackle there from Deeves. Adam Beard almost seemed to strip it. Johnny Williams floated over the top, but it's gone to Walsh, and Walsh will score the try. And now the Scarlets are even denied the losing bonus point. It is an Osprey sting in the tail. And Toby Booth, his first broad smile of the night.
Score that try like that, take all any points that the Scarlets would deserve it of, maybe. But the Scarlets had to go for it, didn't they? They really had to go for it. That's the danger of having to attack from your own 22. That's real cheeky of Luke Morgan, isn't it? Giving someone a tap on the back when they're happy. Anyway, just walked past me, nearly took my shoulder out with a high five.
Owen Williams adds the 2 points. And it's pain piled on further pain for Dwayne Peel.